So here's the preform. It's a little bit longer than I wanted. I cut it at 13 inches, and through forging it, it grew another 3 inches, so it's at about 16 inches right now. And here's the 12-inch mark. So I'm probably going to cut it down back to the 13-inch mark, right around here. And so the blade will come down right about that there. So I'm going to have to forge this down a little thinner and cut this part off. So that's something to learn. It was about 1 inch wide when I started forging it, and that inch stretched out to another 3 inches at the tip. It was also about a quarter inch, a little bit more than a quarter inch all the way across, and I thinned it down to about 3/16 at the tip. Right here, it's about still at about a quarter inch. So yeah, all that forging brought it out another 3 inches. So I'm gonna cut it back down, and then in the next video we'll start on the bevels. So I'll start on beveling it and making it all thin down here. And according to Walt tutorials videos on forging Japanese blades, I've been using this as a reference, and he says that it'll grow about a quarter inch in width and about another inch in length. So it should come out to about 14 inches overall. So that will be in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.